Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. So today I'm going to show you how I have made a candle holder using only a branch and using a cement. So without spending much time, let's jump into the video. So to make this branch candle holder, you need cement. I am using this plastic bowl as a mold, some stones, a candle holder, glass candle holder, a candle, jute, and obviously a branch. Now take the cement and pour some water and mix the cement properly. Now see, the mixture should be like this, not too watery and not too hard. Now dab it. Pick your stones and randomly put it over there and create a design. Now take your branch and put it into the cement. Now let it dry for one day. Cement is completely dry. Now let's paint it. So I have painted it white. I did a golden border and some pattern over there. Now take your glass candle holder and take your jute rope. At first, glue your rope over here to make the handle. After that, take another piece of rope and tie it like that. Now take this and tie it with the branch. Cut this excess part of the rope. Take your candle, put it over there. And this is how it has turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.